more footwork. Cross-step front, a quarter pivot on one foot and stop. The other foot on toe, feet close together. Let's modify this pivot by letting your free foot stay straight and glide over the floor in a circular pattern. Don't bring your feet together. Cross-step, circular glide. We call it a belly dance arabesque. Let's add our gratitude or offering gesture to this footwork pattern. And we'll go back to the version with your feet close together and add open from the heart gesture to it. So this is our open to the world, connect with others symbolic sequence. And this is seeking inspiration, seeking creativity. Keep your chest lifted, beautiful, light, gliding motion.